Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by grabbing the GA4 measurement ID and placing it into a new Tag Manager tag. First, open your GA4 property and copy the G measurement ID. Once done, go to your GTM container, create a new tag, select GA4 configuration, and paste the measurement ID. Make sure to attach an All Pages trigger so page views fire automatically. Save with a clear name indicating environment and property. This helps later when you have multiple containers or properties. Now you'll map the actual data you want to track and wire events to analytics. First, enable built-in GTM variables and create any custom variables that read data layer keys. Then, implement data layer pushes on your site for actions like form submitted or purchase, including relevant parameters. Once the data layer is emitting values, create GA4 event tags in GTM and map variables to event parameters. Use precise triggers that match your data layer event names. Test iteratively in preview to confirm parameters arrive correctly. Finalize by validating and publishing. Enter GTM preview mode and perform site actions while watching GA4 debug view to confirm events and parameters appear. Once you see consistent, correct hits, publish the GTM container to make changes live. After publishing, verify real-time reports in GA4 and check event parameter values. If data doesn't show, make sure the measurement ID matches. The GTM container snippet is installed correctly, triggers are firing, and disable browser ad blockers during testing. These are the most common blockers to data flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.